Hello, and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I am Lovely, and I am happy to be here with you today. This is a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. We use simple words to talk about important feelings and ideas. Today, we talk about a feeling that everyone knows. We talk about overthinking. Overthinking is when you think too much about something. Maybe you think too much about a task or a decision or what you said yesterday. This extra thinking can make you feel tired or worried. Overthinking takes away your peace. It makes everything feel hard. We want to stop that feeling. We want to find clarity and calm. Clarity means everything is clear and easy to see. Stay with me for the next few minutes. We will use simple steps to quiet the noise in our minds. Many people think too much. They overthink. We often overthink when we try to make a choice. Maybe you need to learn a new English word. You think, which word? Is this word important? Should I use a big notebook or a small notebook? This is too much thinking for one simple task. This is overthinking. Overthinking is also often about the future. We worry about what will happen next week, or we worry about the past, about what we did last year. Our mind does not rest. When you overthink, your mind feels loud. It feels busy and full of noise. We do not need noise. We need quiet. We need to remember that thinking is useful, but thinking too much is not useful. Thinking too much makes things slow. Thinking too much makes you stand still. We need to move. So, how can we stop overthinking? The answer is simple. Start doing. Start taking action. When you think too much, you need to change your energy. Stop using your head so much and start using your body. Start using your hands. When the mind feels heavy because it is overthinking, action must feel light. We must show our mind that action is easier than thinking too much. We must use small actions. For example, if you are worried about doing a big project, don't think about the whole project. That is too big. Instead, take one small step, one simple, small action. Maybe your action is to write the title of the project on a paper. That is it. Just one sentence. Now you are doing. You are not just thinking. When you take a small action, your mind sees it. Your mind says, oh, we are starting. It is easy. Thinking big feels heavy. Action must feel light. Make your first action very, very small. Just one simple action today. Just one small step now. This small step is powerful. It stops the worry. When you are overthinking, your mind gives you many problems at the same time. It feels impossible. But problems are not solved by thinking. Problems are solved by doing. We can quiet the mind in two simple ways. The first simple way, write it down. When your mind is loud, you must take the thoughts out of your head. Use a simple list. Write all your thoughts on a paper. This is an action. Writing it down is the first small action. Your head feels quiet. It feels safe now. The second simple way, start small. Look at your list. Do not choose the biggest, hardest thing. Choose only one easy thing. Do not choose 10 things. Choose just one easy thing and start it now. This small success is very important. It proves to your mind that you can move forward without worry. Remember this idea. Action is the opposite of worry. Action is the medicine for overthinking. When you feel worried or heavy because you are overthinking, you need a moment of calm. You need clarity. Take a deep breath, write down the thoughts, then choose the smallest possible task and do it now. This is the power of action. When you take action, you feel strong. When you feel strong, you feel calm. You can stop thinking about the past and the future. You can be calm right here, right now, in this quiet moment. Thank you for listening today. Remember the key idea. Stop overthinking and start small action. Thinking too much makes things cloudy. Action makes things clear. When you feel worried, write it down and start one small task. You have the power to quiet your mind. You have the power to feel calm. I believe in you. Try to take one small action today. I hope you found this simple English useful today. I am Lovely. We will talk again soon. Goodbye for now.